Welcome back to our Global iTech Solution GITS-Playwright channel on video tutorial 11. So before you started this lecture, I highly encourage you to complete previous lecture related with this course. Let's get started and jump on the topics. So today we'll be discussing about page object model concept, or we already discussed in the previous class, but we'll be extend a little bit in this class. Also data-driven concept and organizing our test finally. So let's deep dive into it. As you are familiar with this test, before each described and the test. So as you know, in the last class we are using the two of them, so I'm just using 5 of them today. 5 elements from the landing page, and I'm working with the 5 elements. As you see, I call that locators: landing page AV test, landing page get remove, get basic auth, get broken image, get challenging dumps. So rest of them will be your homework, so you can get hands-on and do some practice. So let's start it with this another test with this, right, which is working with the optimizing the code, and as well as the using page object model concept, data driven concept, keyword driven concept. So let me copy this. Copy it, and inside the describe block, paste it and use the ending block. Okay, so that should be sufficient. So that's mean I am working on the first test, and you guys will be working on the rest of them on the second test. So this is validate expected link text on the landing page. Let's put my name on it, MD Jaman. Validating by MD Jaman. By MD Jaman. Right? So that's mean we have 3 tests here. Test 1, test 2, test 3. So this is the test 1, test 2, and the last one is a test 3. So this one I'm working with all the concept, applying all the concept, leveraging all the concept, right? And rest of the test case you guys can work on it. So let's go ahead and see it. So this is the page object model already implemented. Now we'll be creating a data-driven concept. So data-driven concept will be the meaning same. The page object model, how the way you created a page class. For each page, we'll be creating a data class. Inside, we'll be creating a folder called a test data inside the project. Test data. So we just create a test data folder. Inside the test data, we will be creating a corresponding class file from the website. Like as a landing page, you create a landing page locators object class. You'll be creating also landing page data dot JSON. So this file will be a JSON, not the JS. So inside the JSON started with the curly brace. So we'll be adding our hard-coded data over here. So let's say as these pages are specific to the landing page, we'll just call that all the data inside it. So let's go to the test cases, which is this is our test case, AV testing, right? AV testing, and put them as a AV testing. Let's go copy the AV testing from here, or cut it, or copy it, that's fine, copy it and put them here, AV testing. Then let's put the second one, which is add remove elements, copy it, and the second one will be, third one will be our basic auth. This is hard-coded data. So that's when we're managing the data or manipulating the data here using the different file in a central location. And the last one, which is a challenging dump. Okay, So this is now all the data has to be in an array or has to be key value pairs. Either way you have to use it. So now you are using A/B testing. What if you can just copy it over here in the left hand side as a key A/B testing. A/B testing. So A/B testing. So this is you can put as a also like using same camel case format. A. So this is going to be started with the lowercase, uppercase, A/B testing. Then the same thing, add remove element. You can use here. Add remove elements. Add remove elements. Basic auth. You can use basic auth. You can use the broken image. Please make sure you're following the naming convention as a camel case. Add remove, and the last one, which is our challenging DOM. Challenging DOM. So now you define those in a data.json file. Now you can call it inside the form authentications. You can call it the same way. You can inherit the file, import, which is the landing page data, test data basically, from test data, then your landing page data. This is all you need. Now you can call that landing page data here inside the A/B testing dot A/B testing. Then same thing, add remove element dot add remove element. For the basic auth, same thing, basic auth. Oops. Data dot basic auth. Landing page data dot, where's the basic auth? Oh, so I made a mistake. It has to be a single word. Basic auth. Basic auth. Basic auth. Then we'll have broken image. Landing page dot broken image. Challenging DOM. Landing page dot challenging DOM. Oops. So that's me. Yeah, the two word. Let's make it as a single word. Challenging DOM. This is how the way you organize your test using the page object model concept and the data-driven concept. Right now, let's run your test. Let's see it is running or not. Oh, there you go. So all the tests are passing. There is a 3 tests. Test number 1 A and test 2. This is the count. Right. This is the test 2. Let's put the test 2 on the top. Test 1, test 2, and test 3. So test 2 I'm working on. Test 3 you guys will be working on. Right. So let's make it work again. So this is, we are using 2 concepts over here. Still I'm not satisfied. I can see the all the, it's like long text over here, long lines, right? This code, you see that we are using expect, soft, so all are the same, right? Locators, page.locators. Only the difference is the locators over here identified, and everything is same. So on the next class, we'll be using as a keyword-driven concept. So all the common things will be putting into a single utility file and call that utility functions from the utility file and reusing it over here. So thanks so much for watching this lecture. Stay tuned for upcoming lecture for the rest of the course. Thank you.